First, open the WhatsApp mobile app on your phone. Then find the conversation you'd like to lock. Swipe it to the left to reveal buttons on the right. Then tap More. From the options that appear, select Lock Chat. Tap Continue. The selected chat will then be added to a locked folder that can only be accessed using Face ID. This way, other people won't be able to see the chats you've chosen to lock. To access a locked conversation, simply tap Locked Chats at the top of your list of conversations, and after verifying with Face ID, you'll be able to see any chats you've added to the locked folder. You can remove a chat from the locked folder and put it back with the rest of your chats by swiping the chat to the left in the locked folder, then tap More. In the menu that appears, select Unlock Chat. Your selection will be verified with Face ID, and the chat will then be moved back to your regular inbox. That's all it takes to lock chats on WhatsApp using Face ID for iPhone.